So I made lasagna for my family and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. I added some freshly picked rosemary, fennel seeds, and red wine into the mix. Keep in mind that these flavors are really strong, but these are the ingredients that will really kick your sauce up a notch and will take the flavors from being a flat tomato base into something much more sophisticated and deep. So I put water in because I'd already put in 2 chicken cubes beforehand, but if not, use broth to thin out your sauce. By the way, that's oil that's floating in the water. Start by laying a base of meat sauce so that the lasagna sheets don't stick to the bottom of the pan. But this is what you do. You add 1 layer of meat sauce, some bechamel, some grated cheese. I'm just filling in some bald spots, some extra cheese, and then next layer, and so on and so forth. Make sure you spread and push out the meat sauce into every corner of the pan so that you don't have dry, crusty edges. Add cheese most generously to the top layer than you would in the middle layers.